Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So real quick, you guys wanted to see the results of the bake and bend clay, so I'm going to show you real quick. And you asked what I bake it on. I bake it on foil. That's it. Now, you can use parchment paper, foil. You can use a heat-resistant, what are these called? You know, craft mat, whatever you have. But I use foil or parchment, whatever I have. And I did another mold, and I used, let me show you this. And I made the mold because I really like it. And it's really hard to grab this red on camera, so let's hope. So I'm just going to do a small part of it. This isn't going to be a very long one. This is just some Sculpey souffle in black. And I'm just going to do this and warm it up for a minute. And then all I do is I like to just, you know, it's warm. Well, it's warm as it's going to get right now. And I kind of flatten it a little bit and then stick it. Now I can do the whole piece here, but I'm just going to show you here. I got some glitter in here apparently. Okay. And then I'm just going to stick it in, and you can spray water. That's what I like to do. Other people do other things. It's totally up to you. I just do a little bit of water if I don't want it to stick. And I'm going to give it a push to get that. And then you can turn it a little bit and pull it. And you can see I did not use water, but that's okay. You'll still see. You'll see though, when you do use water, these little pieces won't stick. But look at that. Look at that. I mean, you can see the detail. Isn't that cool? So that's that one. And then let me just show you this one. This one I'll spray a little bit of water in. So you can do this whole piece. You could just do certain parts. You can do whatever you want. This color here is, I don't know why it's so weird. Okay. So I'm just going to do the same kind of thing. Kind of get it kind of the length of what it is, because you want to put in and get the mold. And then I go in, and you can use your roly-poly thing, you know, sprayer if you want. All right. And you can see how easy it comes off with the water. Look at that. And that is all of the texture, everything in. These were the gems. So, you know, you can paint them or do whatever you want with them. Isn't that cool? So that's the bake and bend. You can make molds. I mean, look, it has just a little bit of flexibility, so you can bend it to pick it out. Same with this. And you got this great mold. So this is a great way to get that, you know, mold look. So I hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.